Alan and Sebastian and I are going to demonstrate the vulnerability export feature. So you go to Security and Compliance and Security Dashboard, then it shows a list of vulnerabilities, and now you have the ability to export them to CSV. So I'm going to click the Export to CSV button. It's going to take all the vulnerabilities and make them available in a comma-separated format so that you can view them in other things, including your default spreadsheet viewer like Numbers or Excel or Google Sheets. So I'll click Open here. And then you can see the vulnerabilities, same one, basically the same ones you see on the screen of scanner type, scanner name, status, vulnerability, details, additional info, severity, and CVE. They're pretty straightforward and simple. So Alan and Sebastian, if you'd give a quick overview, how did we develop? What goes on behind the scenes after you hit this button?
All right, let me talk about the backend part. So behind the scenes, what is happening is actually we are creating the export entity database. Then we schedule a background job that is doing all of that internally. So it collects all vulnerabilities and generates the CSV file. And then as soon as it is completed, it is marking the export as completed, and then frontend can download it from the endpoint to download the CSV file. So we did that to make sure that we can support large dashboards with thousands of vulnerabilities, so we can export as many as we want to export.
Cool. Sebastian, anything to add on the front end side?
Yes, I can add a couple of lines on the front end side. So when you click the button, what we do is we tell the backend to initiate the export. And then the backend returns us a URL, which we keep polling until the export is ready. So that's why you keep seeing the loading button, the loading icon. And then once it's ready, the backend tells us that it's ready, and we download the file using the new endpoint.
Yeah, it's a good point. I think Alan mentioned this already. There can be hundreds of thousands for some projects vulnerabilities, so we don't want the user to sit there and have to wait on them. We want them to be able to get it when it's available. So great. Thanks, Alan. Thanks, Sebastian. Great work on this feature.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wayne.